Oh, there goes the train. Let's see, a little on to. There we go. Trying to learn the gears. I'm not used to gears on bicycles. I remember, even when I rode bicycles as a kid, I was big into BMX bikes, so you don't have gears. I remember my father bought me like a 10 speed, 12 speed, whatever was like kind of the fashion at one point in the 80s. Rode it a few times, never really liked it. I got a mountain bike in like, 90, 91. Just a Huffy mountain bike. We got three, my parents and I. Then we went to Austria. I only ever rode it in high school, maybe 5 times, 4 years of living in Austria. Wasn't really that big into riding bicycles at that point. Austria has rolling hills through the city. So I went to the Wienerwald and rode through there. That was fun. Went through the city one time on a big loop. Got yelled at by a policeman because we were on the sidewalk. Like, who wants to be in the street? I never lived in a city growing up. Well, I did briefly, small city. I rode my BMX bike to school every day. But I just rode on the street. I don't even recall sidewalks there, like in front of the houses. I don't think so. You just rode on the street. Once I got to the main road, there was a sidewalk, and then the sidewalk, and then press the button at the stop at the light, go across the street, went down a little bit, and went to school. Lock my bike up, get out, try to remember the combo. You know, the first time as a kid, it's like, what was the combo? Or you have a bad day and you're like, what is it? And then I would ride home. That was kind of fun. But yeah, mountain bikes, I don't know anyone that had a mountain bike. Remember, I'm only on Assist 2. So, you know, I'm on battery longevity. I didn't even know all this stuff was back here, to be honest. This is another trailhead, maybe? So I see a parking lot. Let's take this as the trailhead. I didn't bring water, and I'll call this good. Evidently, heaven forbid if you probably have an e-bike, but there's horse poop everywhere. Well, like you want to go horseback riding on this trail. But Santa Fe Trail, give you a little clue. On trailtaker.com, it goes all the way, I think it goes all the way to Pueblo or something. It goes all the way south. So it's a pretty neat trail. And I'm wearing pants. Everyone else is in their spandex. Somebody's gonna be like, it's not spandex. So yeah, light throttle, and I just get going again. Gonna have airplanes and stuff because near the Air Force Academy. That's what we went through earlier. Yeah, this is a load of fun. Okay, the FLB Club, he's been bugging me, like, have you tried the bike? Like, no, because every day I want to take it out, I either ride or not. Today would have been a good riding day, actually, but I made a few short videos for weekend fun. Oop, I didn't hit anything. Change gears for some reason. But for the most, I haven't touched anything to change gears again. Okay, something stuck maybe. There we go. I think it was like stuck. Maybe I didn't crank one of them all the way. It was like changing back and forth. So, yeah, it's kind of fun. Hey. That guy seemed like he wanted to say something. I ride hard stuff on a motorcycle for my cardio. This is better for my legs. Yep. That's where it helps you. I was probably not in the right gear necessarily to make it up easily, but yeah, definitely that's where the e-bike aspect helps somebody. Yeah, I think we're that way. Oh yeah, there's the cones and bike prints. No sign there to tell you where to go. Yeah, remember, 57-pound bike might sound heavy to a mountain biker. To a rider, that's nothing. I mean, you can pick this up, toss it over a shoulder, and hike up a hill. I mean, we push 200 and 300-pound motorcycles up hills. Take a little break. Well, it's a fun little bike. I'm glad the FLB Club let me borrow it. Oh yeah. See, they're scared to go through the puddles. It's just jeans, I can wash them. Once it dries off, it won't be so bad. You can just like kind of cruise along, and you still got the pedaling aspect. Like if the battery were to die, you got the pedaling aspect. Now, would you want to be pedaling on some crazy uphills with all the extra weight? Probably not. But like in a city environment like this, yeah, you're fine. It says 14.3 miles, but I think it had like 1.3 on it. So, well, I'll just round down to 12 because I didn't know how to reset that thing. I think it hooks to his, I think it Bluetooths to your phone or something. Oh, maybe that does it. There's an M there. That's probably menu. Yeah, I didn't notice that before. So you have the on, off, M for menu, I guess, plus and minus. And you can see I'm pedaling pretty much, except back there where I took a break, but I'm pedaling most of the time just with a little assist throttle. I mean, I have resistance when I pedal, so I'm definitely propelling the bike. The seat probably could come up a little bit. I am taller than the FLB Club. My knees are probably up a little too high, but it's not too bad. Yeah. I feel strain on my knees is why I point that out. See, that's the only issues with the Saran, which is what I was leaning towards. It's more motorcycle-ish. I mean, I'm sure you get away riding through like on this too, because people don't know what it is. But if you do it too much, I could see them putting out a reminder like, hey, by the way, you know, no motors. I don't know who you are on any of these. And they would have to drive down the path to probably come greet you. The cop's not going to be on the interstate, pull over. I'm already gone. Probably wouldn't even notice what he's doing. They're like, hey, just wave. How's it going? Now, of course, they could go and meet me at the trailhead. Looks like they got it under control, and I don't have any mountain bike tools on me. If I got a flat right now, I'm hiking. Actually, I would, well, yeah, I would have to hike or just putts, fucking freaking putts, and hope I don't have to buy Richard a rim. Yeah, because I don't have any. Well, he might have some he has like a little tool bag under the seat, so he might have an extra tool tube and some tools, but I prefer not to. It always seems like mountain bikers are like getting flat. Seriously, it does. Like as a kid, I never ever had a flat on a BMX bike. So why do people get flats so easily on their mountain bikes nowadays? I mean, do they just not change the tubes often? Are the tubes thinner? I don't know. It's a quality thing? Maybe. Yeah, doesn't like that. Oh shit, did I lose my... Oh, I lost the chain. I lost the chain. I'm like, why is the... Look at that, chain popped off. I have no idea why. I was like, it's not going. It's not going. Great. No. It's... There we go. Huh. That was weird. So I'm just about back to the vehicle now. 18.8. I'll just minus off 2. So roughly 16 miles, 17 miles by the time I get there. I was like, where am I supposed to go? There used to be a overlook for a jumping mouse habitat. I guess so you could go see. Our agent took us to it when we first came, but I think they did away with it. It's like, do people come look at jumping mice? I don't get it. $19.2 miles, I'll just minus off 2, so yeah, 17.2 miles. Probably a little more than that. I'm being generous. Oh, yep, don't lay the e-bike over with throttle. So what did I think of this bike now that I'm back? Well, it's pretty fun. Definitely takes getting used to. I don't know why the chain jumped off the front. It did. Maybe that's just kind of a habit of mountain bikes in general. It's been so long time before I've had anything that changed gears like that. Yeah, I like it. But they're pretty pricey, so who knows? I don't know if I get one or not. And turn it off, you just hold the off button, it says Luna, and it closes. It's off. And then you turn off the battery like that. Battery is off. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It was a lot of fun. Thank you, the FLB Club. Check out his channel in the description. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one. Bye.